Hello guys, in this video we will cover chapter 9 parallel sailing, exercise 10 of parallel sailing in practical navigation. So the first question is given here, find the course and distance. Latitude of A is equal to 71 degree 28 minute north. Latitude of B is equal to 71 degree 28 minute north, and longitude of A is equal to 160 degree 27 minute west, and longitude of B is equal to 170 degree 29 minute east. Here latitude of A and B and longitude of A and B is given here, means position is given here, and we have to find out the course and distance. So one question is coming in my mind that how will you identify that this is a parallel sailing numerical or plain sailing numerical, in Mercator sailing, great sailing, because in further videos we will solve plain sailing, parallel sailing, great circle, Mercator sailing. So how will you identify that this is a parallel sailing numerical? So the first funda, that is latitude. Latitude of A and B is same, the value of A and B, that is same. So this is a main funda. You can identify by the help of the latitude. If the value of both A and B of latitude is same, then this would be your parallel sailing numerical, and you have to find out the course and distance. So before going to solve, the first very important formula, that is departure upon d long is equal to cos latitude, okay. So by the help of this formula you can find out the answer, you can solve the parallel sailing numerical. So here latitude of A and B is given here, and longitude of A and B is given here. So you have to find out the d long. How will you find out the d long? So I already told you how to find out the d long. So here 160 degree 27 minute west and B is equal to 170 degree 29 minute east is given here, and you have to find out the d long. So the same name subtract and different name add. So here different direction is given here, so we will add it, and when we will add it, so 160 degree 27 minute plus 170 degree 29 minute, that is 330 degree 56 minute. This is our d long, and because we are moving from west to east, so here it would be east, because we know that the d long is named east or west according to the direction of the travel. So the direction of the travel is east, so here it would be east. And there is one sign convention to find out the d long, that is if the value of d long exceeds 180 degree, then we will subtract it from 360 degree. So we have to subtract it from 360 degree so that we can find out the d long. So the d long is equal to 330 degree 56 minute minus 360 degree 00 minute, that is our 29 degree 04 minute. And change the name, whatever we are getting here, it is east, so it would be opposite of east. So here opposite of east is west. So we find out the d long, and we have to convert it into minute. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, we know that. So we will convert d long into minute. So 29 degree 04 minute into 60 minute, that is 29 degree 04 minute into 60, that is 1744 minute. 1744 minute west is your d long. We find out the d long here. Just look into the formula. We have to find out the departure, and we know that, and we know the departure is equal to distance in parallel sailing, and d long we find out, and cos latitude is given here. So just apply to the formula. So departure is equal to cos lat into d long. So departure would be cos latitude is equal to 71 degree 28 minute north. You can take any one because both value have same. So 71 degree 28 minute into d long is equal to 1744 minute. 1744 minute. So just put these value into the calc and find out the answer. So cos 71 degree 28 minute multiply by 1744, that is departure is equal to 554.34 nautical mile. And guys, we know that in parallel sailing departure is equal to distance. So departure means it is a distance, so distance is 554.34 miles is our answer, miles or nautical miles. Okay, this is our distance. So the first one we find out, and second one, that is course, we have to find out. So just look into the D long. Here the direction of D long is west, so course would be, because we are getting the direction of D long, so 270 degree. Because I already told you in quadrilateral, if this is your east, this is your west, we denote it east in 090 degree and west is 270 degree. So we will write down course is equal to 270 degree. So this is the answer of the first question. Find out the answer of distance and course. Now let's move to the second question. That is, find the course and distance. Latitude of A and B is given here. Longitude of A and B is given here. Same funda we will apply. We know that what is the formula of to find out these questions. So departure upon D long is equal to cos latitude. This is the formula, and here we have to find out the D long. So D long is equal to, same name subtract, and different directions just add it. So we will add it, 159 degree 22 minute plus 155 degree 44 minute, that is 315 degree 06 minute. Here the direction would be west, but we know that if the value of D long exceed 180 degree, then just subtract it from 360 degree 00 minute and change the name of directions. So here we will subtract it 360 degree 00 minute, that is 44 degree 54 minute east. This is your D long. Now you have to convert D long into minutes, so just convert D long into minute, that is 44 degree 54 minute into 60, that is 44 degree 54 minute into 60, that is 2694 minute. Okay, you find out the D long. Now you have to find out the distance. Here just look into the formula. D long is cos latitude is given here, and you find out the D long, so just apply to the formula. So departure is equal to cos latitude into D long. So departure is equal to cos lat, means cos latitude is equal to 59 degree 58 minute into D long is equal to 2694 minute. Okay, so departure would be, just multiply this, cos 59 degree 58 minute into 2694, that is 1348.35 nautical mile. So the distance would be 1348.35 nautical mile would be the distance, and course is equal to, here the direction of the d long is east, so it is eastwardly, means 090 degree east is your course. Let's move to the third question, that is latitude A and B is given here, longitude A and B is given here. We have to find out the course and distance. So same formula we will apply here. Departure upon d long is equal to cos latitude, okay, and in longitude we have to find out the d long, so same name subtract, so we will just subtract it. 106 degree 03 minute minus 90 degree 49 minute, that is 15 degree 4, and the direction of the d long would be west, because the d long is named east or west according to the direction of the travel. So d long we find out, and we have to convert d long into minutes. So d long is equal to 15 degree 14 minute into 60, and that is 914 minute. Okay, we find out the d long we find out. Departure we have to find out it, and cos latitude is given in the questions, so just apply to the formula. Departure is equal to cos latitude into d long, so departure is equal to cos latitude is given here 69 degree 51 minute into d long is equal to 914 minute, so departure is equal to 314.8 nautical mile. Okay, so that because departure is equal to distance, so distance is equal to 314.8 nautical miles would be your distance, and course would be the direction of the d long is west, so it would be westwardly, so west, that means 270 degree. Guys, if you have to draw the diagram, so how will you draw the diagram? So because here your latitude is given here, that's when you are in northern hemisphere, so just draw the northern hemisphere diagram. Okay, because sometimes during IMU exam you have to draw the diagram also, so you must to know here. Okay, so this is your meridian A, and this one is your meridian B, and this one is your d long. This is your latitude 0 degree, this is your north pole, and this is your point A, point B. Okay, this one is your departure. So because it is going in westward direction, so if in exam time if you have to make the diagram, so you can just make the diagram. In second question, if you have to make the diagram, then how will you make the diagram? So because it is in southern hemisphere, so you have to make the diagram of southern hemisphere, that is this one. This is your southern hemisphere, this one is your meridian A, and this is your meridian B, this one is your d long, and this one is your departure. Which direction is it going? It is going in eastward direction, this one. Okay, now let's move to the fourth question, that is latitude and longitude is given here, and we have to find out the course and distance. So same formula we will apply here. Departure upon d long is equal to cos latitude. So firstly we will find out the d long, so d long is equal to same name subtract. Here same direction is given here, so we will subtract to each other. 179 degree 50 minute minus 154 degree 30 minute, that is 25 degree 20 minute, and the direction of travel, that is eastward direction, is coming here, so it would be east. So we will convert d long into minutes. So d long is equal to 25 degree 20 minute into 60, and that is 1520 minute eastward. This is your d long. Now you know the value of d long and you know the latitude is given here, so you have to find out the distance. So distance means departure, you have to find out the departure. Two values is given here and you have to find out the one value. So departure is equal to cos latitude into d long. So departure is equal to cos latitude 44 degree 44 minute into d long value, that is 1520 minute. So departure is equal to cos latitude, so just multiply this one, cos 44 degree 44 minute into 1520 minute, that is 1079.79. okay, so the departure is equal to 1079.79 nautical mile. So your distance would be 1079.79 nautical mile would be your answer. How will you find out the course? So the course is easterly, so we know that eastward direction, that means 090 degree. This one is your course. And if you have to draw the diagram, so because the latitude is in southern hemisphere, so just make the diagram of southern hemisphere. Okay, so this one is your meridian, this one is your meridian of A, and this one is your meridian of B. This is your d long, and this one is your departure. This is your southern hemisphere. Okay, this one is your latitude 0 degree. I already told you in my previous lecture. Direction the departure would show, because it is going in eastward direction, so this one you have to show this one direction arrow. Okay, let's move to the last question. That is the last question of exercise 10th. So latitude of A and B is given here, longitude of A and B is given here, and we have to find out the course and distance. So the same formula we will apply here. Departure upon d long is equal to cos latitude. So we have to find out the d long first. You have to just look into the formula that departure means distance. You have to find out the distance, and d long we will find out from the longitude, and cos latitude is given here. So we have to find out the first d long. So different name, so we will add it, and when we will add 10 degree 17 minute plus 4 degree 39 minute, that is 14 degree 56 minute, and the direction of the travel would be westward. So we will convert d long into minutes. So d long is equal to 14 degree 56 minute into 60 minute, that is 14 degree 56 minute into 60, that is 896 minute. Okay, this is your d long westwardly. Now you have to find out the distance. So departure is equal to cos latitude into d long. So the departure would be, latitude is given here 47 degree 37 minute into d long, that is 896 minute. So the departure would be, just multiply this one, cos 47 degree 37 minute into 896, that is 603.98 nautical mile. So the departure is 603.98 nautical mile. So the distance would be 603.98 nautical mile. Now you have to find out the course. So just look into the d long. Here this one is your westwardly direction, so the course would be your westwardly. So this one is your 270 degree would be your course. And if you have to draw the diagram, so just look into the latitude. This one is your southern hemisphere, so just make the diagram of southern hemisphere, this one. Okay, this is your meridian. This one is your meridian of A, meridian of B. This one is your meridian of A. This one is your meridian of B. This is your d long. This one is your departure. And this is your southern hemisphere. Okay. So which direction the departure is showing? That is westward direction. So by the help of this formula, departure upon d long is equal to cos latitude. You can find out the course and distance. For daily quick tips, follow me on Instagram, link in description. If you guys found this video helpful, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.